So this is how you can resolve the TikTok password reset issue easily. Simply tap on TikTok and open it up. So if you want to sign in or sign up, simply do so by tapping on Login at the bottom of the screen. And now, choose your way of logging in, either your phone email username, your Facebook, Apple, Google, Twitter, Line, KakaoTalk, and Instagram. So let's say you want to use your phone or email or username, but you don't actually know your password. This is how you can reset it. So simply type in your email and then press on continue. Once you're here, it's going to ask you to verify your email. Now, this is another way of logging in without using your password. It's going to send you a code through your email, and then all you have to do is type it here. But if you truly want to reset your password, simply tap on login with password, and now all you have to do is tap on forgot password. And so here you can reset your password with either your phone number or your email. If you have a phone number connected to your account, then it's going to send you a code, and then all you have to do is type in that code in order to add your new password. But if all you have is an email connected, it's pretty much the same thing. It's going to send you a code, and then you're going to verify that it's actually you by typing in the code, and then it's going to give you the access to write in your new password. So that's pretty much how you can solve the TikTok password reset issue. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments down below if the tutorial worked or if you have any questions. Thank you and goodbye.